today we are talking about another virtual experience which is about Deloitte technology. Deloitte is a big IT tech giant. I hope you guys already know and you are aware what the Deloitte do exactly. So this is a IT consultant company, and this in this course you will discover where your STEM degree can take you at Deloitte. This program will take you through the STEM program of Deloitte. You are eligible to get job ready for Deloitte also. So this is virtual program which is free for the students. Program is self-paced. It takes 3 to 5 hours to complete virtual experience of Deloitte. Get practical skills and experience from the Deloitte Australia. This is a best thing that you will learn from the Australian guides. So you will understand the queries we will talk about in the next slide. So use the experience in your resume and build up your resume in a good way. So why to join virtual experience? This is an important question. Exactly. Firstly, it comes in your mind when you start virtual experiences. So basically, virtual experiences just provide you the things that the company's developers is already working on. They give you a few tasks to you so that you will understand how to manage all these things, all these projects, all these tasks in your manner, and as well as you can feel a experience that the how all the software developers of Deloitte, how they are work. Okay, so this is about the virtual experience, and here is a Tina McCarey, Chief Human Resources Officer at Deloitte. Introduction to Deloitte STEM Connect Virtual Experience Program on Forge. So this video will give you a whole introduction of this course. Okay, what you will understand on all these things you can access by just clicking on the green button. Okay, and how it is beneficial to again, so earning a certificate, this is important, which is just you can put in your resume or just consider, just you can share on LinkedIn also, and you will get personalized competition certificate also. So this will change the perspective of HR in front of other candidates. Okay, so do it in your own time, like it's time compatibility, and gain real work experience. That is what I was talking about in the first one. Like you will gain a real experience, like whatever the projects are going in the Deloitte right now, so you will able to just perform a few tasks on these projects. Okay, that will totally beneficial to you. Okay, and make your CV and LinkedIn stand out. So this certificate and this skill will just highlight, you can highlight on the LinkedIn. Okay, be seen by Deloitte, like when you have a power in your hands that you had done a work on Deloitte's task or virtual experience, so you are just acquire the skills. So now you can share your profile, your work to the consultant team of the Deloitte or talent acquisition team of the Deloitte, so that they will let you know how you are proficient and you are got a job in Deloitte also. So discover the career for you also cover up in this course. So what you will learn, this is a kind of a syllabus. So coding part, create a algorithm to unify two different data methods. So like Python programming you will understand, and DSA is the most important thing for the right now for the job seekers. Okay, so data analysis is another important thing, data modeling, data analysis, and these things, and development planning, formal communication, software development process. In cybersecurity part, this is also a big boom exactly right now, because of most of the hackers and most of the schemers just belongs to the cybersecurity team, or this particular module will help you to out how to just get out with these kind of schemes, these kind of cybersecurity interference. So you will all learn in this particular module web security, how computer network security and log inspections. So all these things completed in. And next and last one is a forensic technology, help you your team to complete an investigation to unfair pay, digital spreadsheets, all this cover in this slide. And firstly in this course, firstly you're trying to join, so firstly you have to come on the top right corner, you'll see a sign up button here, so just click on it. And these give facility to two type of logins, so like you can sign up with your email id or you can sign up with your google details. So just let it consider, and you will reach on this page. See here a register button now. So after the register button, you will get into the course and try to gain more and more skills with this course. And second course is of Goldman Sachs GS Engineering Virtual Program. Explore Goldman Sachs Engineering. This is the virtual experience. This is same as that of another one. You will also get a free certificate of this course. And in this course, you will learn in this course is password cracking, crack leaked password database, analyze result and purpose, unlift to control and policies. Practice skills that you will gain from this course is first cryptography basics, password cracking, password best practices. This is all about this course. You can just access by clicking on register now button, and you are good to go. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe us for more informative free courses. We bring you to the newer one for you. So thank you, and don't forget to subscribe.